Hi, I'm a certified family nurse practitioner and I'm going to be traveling soon, so I bought myself a first aid kit. I have kids. This first aid kit is by Thrive. Thrive sends you a list of the items that comes included with the first aid kit. As you can see, it has a carabiner attached to it that you can attach to your belt holder or your backpack if you're going hiking. It comes well packed, along with some CPR, AED, first basic aid information in case you want to carry it also in your car. It comes with a pair of gloves, actually 2 pair of gloves. It comes with some alcohol wipes and some cleansing aids. It comes with Q-tips, a small pair of tape, scissors, and of course, us women, we always need safety pins, so it comes with that, as well as some tweezers in case you get a splinter when you're out hiking or cutting wood. This other packet comes with Band-Aids as well. So it's just basic first aid kit stuff that you need if you have kids or if you're traveling or hiking, which is great. It comes handy and it's small to carry around.